like a pretty little angel just walked in from there, and oh, gorgeous one. Can you just walk in a little ahead? Come join us. Yes? Give it up for Vamika in the house. Come on, everybody. Hi guys, how are you? अरे यार कितने सब कितने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू. आपसे खूबसूरत नहीं लग रहे ऐसे. Wow, that was good, beautiful words. Mom, I want to ask you, how does the Flipkart Glamour Fest look to you? How is it? Grand. Wow, so many people exploring different things. It seems a lot of fun and it seems very exciting. Hi, Kash. कुछ साल पहले जब मैं एक्टर नहीं थी, काम नहीं करती थी, ऐसे तब भी इवेंट्स होते तो यू नो इट वुड हैव बीन सो नाइस. बट या आई थिंक आफ्टर वी डू द चैट आई वुड लव टू एक्सप्लोर. सो इट्स काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है यार. I think all of the zones will be waiting for you to come and try their products. We would love to see you everywhere. But one quick question. What is that one product you don't leave your house without? One thing. A moisturizer and a lip tint that I can use anywhere on my face. So you know, na, a lip tint is not really for just your lips. It's for your cheeks, it's for your eyes. It's like an all-rounder everywhere, like a highlighter, blush, yes, completely. Please give it up for Vamika one more time. Isn't she just gorgeous? Come on, everybody. Alright, with that, you're going to have a very lovely fireside chat with Vijay and Vamika. Over to you, the chair is set. Are you ready for the fire chat?
Yes. No, maybe.
It's going to be fiery.
I know they are going to put up fire emojis all around it for sure.
No, there's actually going to be fire. I'm gonna. No, I'm just kidding.
I
As
was
you
very
can see,
close to saying, मालूम ना आपको उसके आसपास.
alright, let's come back and take your seats. I think Vamika will come back for photographs later on. Yeah, we'll come back for photographs.
Hello.
Hi.
So, Vamika, we've noticed something. You have this ability to make the most glamorous looks, all the desi looks, and even your Instagram no makeup looks feel very natural, feel very authentic, feel like there's no effort that's gone in it at all. So, what's your relationship with beauty and beauty products today?
You know, I feel कि while growing up, जब नया नया आपको मेकअप और ये सब इंट्रोड्यूस होता है लाइफ में, तो आई यूज्ड टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. लाइक आई रिमेंबर माई स्ट्रगल विद द contouring. It was a struggle. I could never get it right, and I used to put a lot of effort. I think now अभी थोड़ी थोड़ी मैं ऐसे ईज आउट हो गई हूँ with makeup. And it also depends on my mood. Sometimes I want to do the full glam look. I want to do big lashes and liner. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
Not about it.
And some days I just want to moisturize my skin and put like a skin tint and just a lip balm, and yeah. So I think it's all how you're feeling. And I think that's how it should be. There should be no pressure on how you should be looking or how people are going to perceive you. I think authenticity lies in what you are feeling in reality. Like, I think it's all about honesty, to be very honest.
No, absolutely, and we are seeing nearly all of the creators who are here today also express themselves authentically when they are putting content out there. And Vamika, right from the gown that you're wearing today to the titli sari that you put up on your Insta a few days ago, you seem to easily go between desi style, going minimal, and the likes. But how do you decide what do you wear?
Again, it's the same answer, to be very honest. It is how I'm feeling today. Also depends on where I'm going, to be very honest.
Are your clothes repeater?
यार एक तो ना I'm sorry, ये क्यों इतनी बड़ी बात है to repeat your clothes? It is such a basic thing to do. If you bought something, you can always. I mean, if I say the same thing to my mother and my grandmother, she'll be like, "What are you talking about?" We always repeat our clothes, and I think it's all about styling it differently. And if you're a creative person, you can always आप फिर से रिपीट कर सकते हैं अपने कपड़े एंड इट विल नॉट लुक लाइक द सेम क्लॉथ you can always restyle it and wear it wear it differently. And I think it's a very overrated thing कि अरे are you repeating your clothes? I think it's a basic thing. If you bought something, you can always style it differently, and you should be repeating your clothes. Like, why not?
No, and honestly, that's what we are trying to build with Spoil, where we inspire you to create your own remixes.
That's so nice.
So you have your capsule wardrobe and how you can have a different makeup piece on, how you can accessorize differently, and really we are all about inspiring people to do that.
I'm so glad you guys are doing that because I think it should be made like a normal thing. It should not be something special to do. And I think it's very good that you guys are inspiring people to do that by just making them restyle it differently. Yeah.
So, Mamika, can we talk trends for a moment? You somehow make everything look trendy. You've been like on point whenever we've seen you on pap pages, on your Insta and the likes. So, abhi kya trend kar raha hai according to you?
अभी मुझे लगता है कि ट्रेंड कर रहा है बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरीबडी हैज़ डिफरेंट algorithms on their Instagram. But for me, I think the oversized t-shirts and oversized jeans and minimal makeup and just your dewy makeup, I think that's what's trending for me. And I love that because I think fashion is not just about fashion, but it is about comfort as well. And I'm loving this trend of being more comfortable, being yourself so that you can feel confident. And I think जैसे आप कह रहे थे ना कि why you feel like you're setting trend, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I think whatever you, sometimes my friends have like sent me pictures and be like, what are you wearing? And I'm like, what? People are loving it. And I'm telling you, it's all about how you are feeling in that outfit. If you are feeling great, तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है ना, बस वही है trend. That's it. I think वही है.
And any recent trending beauty product or a beauty regime that you tried out? Have you done an ice bath for your face when you wake up? What's really your...
Yeah, so I do that. I always like dunk my face in ice every morning before my makeup. Also, I think वो थोड़ा ऐसे क्या करते हैं वो inflammation, it just like helps you with that, and it's a thing. It works. It works. So I do that before my makeup every day for sure.
And you said that you make your own trends, but how do you really get inspired? Do you like scroll Insta endlessly? Are you on Pinterest looking at things? Do you phone a friend? Do you have like that stylist who's always helping you out? What's really your source of inspiration?
I think for all of us, it is Instagram, the reels, the memes. Sometimes, it's a funny meme, but you like what the girl is wearing, and you're like, oh, that's nice, I want to wear that, So you get inspired like that. So I think, yeah, it's your reels and your memes and what else. Also, sometimes I feel if I'm going somewhere and I see somebody wearing something really good, you get inspired and you want to wear something like that, or you want, you want to style it differently, but you like the outfit. I think trends, ना ये सब हमसे ही आते हैं. It's ये जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि oh, this is trending. I think whatever you like is trending only. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So now imagine so many styles are coming back.
Yeah.
अभी वो क्यों हो रहा है? Because people are liking that. People want to go back to that style. I think just do what you like. Just wear what you like. I don't even understand fashion critics for that matter, to be very honest. I feel this is art. And तुम्हें जो अच्छा लगता है तुम वो पहनो. What is trending or what people are saying, no. What you are liking, what you feel, oh, this is looking great. I think just get inspired, Yeah. And I know that Spoil is doing that.
Absolutely.
Were you coming to the same point?
No, I was actually going to come to the next question, but thank you for the plug, because that's what we're trying to do at Spoil, being inspired by the stuff that you guys are wearing, instead of chasing what's happening in Europe or what's happening globally on the ramp. What we are doing is seeing what's trending on Instagram, what is it that real people are wearing, and helping you discover more of that. So all you need to do is head to Flipkart Spoil to do that.
That's very cool. पता है? So sometimes when I used to like some outfit, So I'll always like try and ask my friends, so what is this look called? Like
Yeah.
what do I Google? Should I Google this so that a similar top comes up? So I think that's very
So
cool.
अभी वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can just open Flipkart and get it.
Nice.
So coming on to your Insta and your social, to keep it really real and authentic on social, but you know, as someone who is an actress and then a creator, do you feel the pressure to look a certain way, look apart, always present yourself in a certain manner?
Sometimes, but I think I used to take that pressure a lot. I think when you eat good, when your skin is good, no matter what you're wearing, you will look good. Aesthetically also good. I think अगर किसी चीज़ का बहुत ख्याल रखना पड़ता है तो that's the background. Even if you have like a plain background and whatever you're wearing, it'll just shine. But yeah, to be very honest, I think it's a lot of effort to be someone else on Instagram, and it just becomes very easy when you just be yourself. And if you are funny, then तुम funny ही लगोगे, तुम्हारा content funny ही आएगा.
Yeah.
If you are beautiful looking and if your smile is genuine, तो वो आएगा आपके content में भी आएगा. तो I think it's really about how you're feeling inside. I think that is what's going to reflect on Instagram, because if you're really not that person and you're trying to be this different person on Instagram, वो कभी ना कभी तो आप पकड़े ही जाओगे. तो
आप कभी पकड़े गए हो?
मैं नहीं नकली होती हूँ. I think मुझे पकड़े जाने का इतना डर होता है कि I'm like नहीं, let me be who I am. Some people will like it, some people won't. I don't care, but I do care also for people who do like me. But I don't care for the people who come up with negative comments, and I think it reflects on them, because sometimes when you see comments, negative comments, or people just saying stupid things about you, it really reflects on them. It really reflects on how they are perceiving life and what they are absorbing, and they really took out time to say something negative to you. So I sometimes just मतलब उन लोगों की बातों को seriously क्यों लेना जिनके पास सिर्फ ऐसी बातों के लिए वक्त है. So I think the best is be confident. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
Now you've played some really interesting characters.
Yeah.
So how do you really take from your on-screen persona from Jab We Met to now you've played various kinds of roles? So how has your film exposure, the characters you've portrayed on screen, influenced your personal style, influenced how you look at fashion and beauty?
Okay. So जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ, when I was promoting Bhulchuk Maaf. By the way, guys, Bhulchuk Maaf is still running in theaters. Please book your tickets and please watch it whenever you can. Thank you. I'm playing this character called Titli, and she's a small town girl, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा fashionable है. Like she'll just wear all the chunky jewelry, and she'll always have some hair accessory, and even her clothes are not really like how you'll see like a small town girl. She's always over.
Yeah.
उसकी personality भी थोड़ी over है, और she dresses up also a little over. So when I was promoting Bhulchuk, now because I'm talking about Titli all the time, it did influence me. My styling for my promotions as well. I wanted to dress up a little over. I wanted to have butterflies on my hair. I wanted to wear Titli ke earrings, and I wanted to do that. And they do influence, because I've lived her life. I've played her. So when I'm talking about her and I know that this is what I'm going to do all these days, it does affect you, right? Like how your circle affects
Yeah.
you. So Titli is my character, right? And she affected me, obviously. So whatever character that I'm playing, it does something to you, But I really enjoyed. I enjoyed the promotion so much. Me, my hairstylist, my makeup artist, Vaishnavi Forum. I think we were creating looks. Like आज यहाँ तितली पहनेंगे, आज यहाँ लगा देंगे, आज बालों में लगाएंगे. So we were really enjoying a lot without thinking what people are going to say, or how an actress should dress during promotions and all of that. We didn't care about all of that. I think whatever we were feeling, like let's do that.
In fact, at Spoil, when we speak to consumers, that's what we are seeing nearly everyone do. where it's no longer trying to copy a look but create something of your own by mixing and matching and remixing different kinds of elements.
यही होना चाहिए. I mean, as creator, what are you? An artist, right?
Yes.
So it is art. When you create something, it's art. You should feel free to experiment. You should feel free. You should feel unapologetic. You should be fearless. Only then you can create something unique. अगर आपको ये डर लगा रहेगा ना कि oh my god, this is what's trending, I should not go out of the way to do something different because people might not like it. Please be fearless. Only that will work. Not just creating art, but even in your life, be fearless. It's okay. देखते हैं क्या होता है. क्या ही हो जाएगा? You'll handle it. You handled life till now. आगे भी handle हो जाएगा. So I think being fearless is so important.
Absolutely. And like how Bhul Chuk Maaf is about being stuck in a time loop, right? So what if you were to jump into the future and you had to think what would fashion and beauty trends of the future look like if you had to venture a guess?
Okay. Not a guess. I will tell you how I would like to see it.
Okay.
I think I would love to see a lot of Indian jewelry paired up with Western outfits, or the most beautiful thing about India, so many cultures. You can get inspired by so many things. I just hope that I see more of the Indian vibe, in the appearances, because then you'll know this is like. I think then we'll be just unique. Like you're wearing a bikini, or but you have so much like jewelry, and you're wearing a bikini top and jeans, but you have like Indian jewelry on. Like I would love to see more Indianness. That's what I would love.
And
That's what
in terms
I
of
love.
makeup, how you would. So you spoke about the looks, right? But even for beauty, how you're seeing the future?
I just hope people feel more free to do whatever, even if they want to paint their whole face red and come. I just hope like it's not frowned upon. It's like you just accept everything.
More experimentation.
Definitely.
People trying out their own things.
Yeah, it's like, who do I want to be today? I want to be this, so let me be this. I just hope people feel more free and feel less judged, and they can just come here the way they want to.
So taking from your who do I want to be today for all the creators who want to be Vamika in the future, right?
I
if
just
you-
hope they don't want to be me. I just hope they want to be themselves, and I hope they become the best version of themselves. And I think that's how it should be. Thanks, man.
So if you had to give one tip to all the creators in this room to be more of themselves, to help define their vibe, what would be the tip that you would give them?
Again, I think when I say honesty, I mean to be honest to yourself. And ये बातें ना बहुत ऐसे लगती हैं कि honest to yourself, know yourself, But when you really understand the meaning of it, I think जब आप खुद के साथ honest रहोगे, you'll know yourself more, you'll accept yourself more, and you'll know what you want to be. So I think वही है, खुद को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में. I think most of us just एक इल्यूजन में रह जाते हैं, खुद के इल्यूजन में. फिर आप खुद को नहीं समझते हो, आप किसी और को क्या समझोगे? I have actually made this like a rule in my life. Whenever I have any problem or any issue with anybody in my life, may it be personal or professional, I always try and see ki, what's wrong with me? Why am I being so negative? Like I always work on myself. And I think the whole point is to let go. The whole point is to be so zen in your own life that nothing can affect your energy. I think when you become that, you can become truly, free, like a titli udi. इस बार उड़ जाएगी. So yeah.
So on that note, Vamika, I think it's a wrap.
Okay.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
showing up with honesty and inspiring all the creators in this room. And to all of you creators, storytellers, remember what Vamika said, what you're doing is art, and express yourself freely. And at Flipkart Spoil, we are...
Hi guys. That's Vamika for you. Once again, please make some noise. A big round of applause. I love you too. Thank you. Fine. Alright, let's get some photographs. I think this is a nice moment for us to take a selfie with everybody in the house. While
Give me some energy यार मैं नहीं ऐसे बिना energy के साथ कोई मतलब नहीं है हाँ
Alright, let's go. And let's all say Glam Up Fest 2025. Let's go! Make some noise! Woohoo. Thank you so much. Now let's go to the center stage. Okay, I know, it's like it's a whole new person I'm carrying with me right now. Okay, everybody, it's time to turn the spotlight on the true showstoppers behind the scenes. The brands that made us glow, shine, sparkle and slay throughout the year. From iconic legacy names to bold new disruptors, from skincare formulas that felt like magic to lip care we simply couldn't leave the house without. Tonight we celebrate brilliance, the beauty and the brains behind your favorite products. And yes, it is the awards, the rewards and recognition time. These awards are more than just titles. They are a nod to innovation, to obsession over the perfect formula, to the pulse of pop culture and to what's next in beauty. So get ready as we honor the trendsetters and the game changers with the very first time Glam Up Beauty Awards. Make some noise, everybody! Yay! And now, yay! And now to do the honors along with Vamika here, I'd like to invite Karthik from Flipkart. Please make some noise for him. Alright, ready? Ready guys? Yes? It's time for our best grooming brand. For making grooming stylish, inclusive and razor sharp. Can you guess who's the winner? Please make some noise for Gillette Plus Venus. Can we have the team on stage right now? Congratulations, join us. Come on you guys, have to give me some more energy.
Hi. थैंक यू यार, बहुत मजा आया. कितने सारे बूथ, अलग अलग जोन्स. इट्स लाइक वंडरलैंड. इट्स लाइक यू गो एंड यू हैव लाइक एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरीवन. अगर आपको जैसे जैसे लुक्स चाहिए, आपको आप थोड़े मिनिमलिस्ट वाले आर्टिस्ट हो तो यू हैव दैट वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो हियर. अगर आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा ग्लैम अप वाले हो तो you have that world also. I think it's beautiful. And I think all the creators and everybody must be so excited to be here. मतलब मेरे लिए तो ऐसे it was literally like a wonderland. I'm like wow, it's like different जैसे ऐसे वो होता है ना, different rides, there are different zones and different worlds. I loved it. सो आई टेल यू, मेरा फेवरेट है लिप टिंट्स. तो मैं तो जहाँ भी जाती हूँ ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोर की सब अलग अलग लिप टिंट्स, क्योंकि सबके कुछ ना कुछ शेड्स में डिफरेंस होता है. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ परफेक्ट स्पॉट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप कितनी सारी चीज़ें सामने देख के कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक दिस इवेंट वाज, मैं यही बोल रही थी पता है सबको, आई वाज लाइक आई विश दैट व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज वी हैड इवेंट्स लाइक दीज. इट्स सो मच फन बिकॉज आपके पास सामने फिजिकली you can try them and you can see the difference and you can. So I think it was amazing. So मैं तो ज़्यादा lip tints and skincare उसमें I was more interested. वेल जैसे अभी एक अनाउंस हुई थी, अनाउंस एज इन वी जस्ट रैप्ड अप भूत बंगला विद अक्षय सर एंड प्रियदर्शन सर. एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट प्रोजेक्ट. आज एकता मैम का बर्थडे भी है, तो मुझे एकदम से आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट फिल्म ओनली. देन आई हैव दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड दिल का दरवाज़ा खोलना डार्लिंग. Again, a lot of fun I had while shooting for that film. It's with Siddhant Chaturvedi and Jaya Bachchan. It's directed by Vikas Behel, and वो भी film खत्म हो गई है. So all these very interesting projects that I'm doing, and I think even Darwaza maybe there's so much glam. I mean, my character. So I was just thinking, I said it's such a perfect spot, even when you have to prepare for your character, and you can like find so many things, because here it feels like people are experimenting so much. It's not about कि आपको एक ही तरह की चीज़ें or whatever. It's more about uh, your unapologetic experiments, and it's so fresh, it's so bold. आपको कोई judge नहीं कर रहा. You can just like it's like one destination for discovery and for experimentation, for self expression. So I think सही है. It's very nice. um, तो मेरा एक थोड़ा रीसेंट और न्यू ऑब्सेशन आया है मस्काराज से. एंड आई यूज टू नेवर पुट मस्काराज एंड ऑल, बट अब मैं ट्राई करने लगी. तो नाउ आई एम लुकिंग फॉर लाइक ब्लू मस्काराज and like green mascaras. So I want to like experiment with mascaras now. And my makeup artist is so happy because whenever they used to do my makeup, I used to be like, नहीं नहीं mascara नहीं लगाऊंगी. So now they're so happy. Now they bring like all these different shades of mascaras. Ki you like this, you like this. So yeah, I think mascaras is something that I'm really excited about. This. It's such a weird thing to say. I'm really excited about mascaras in my life. Yeah. Um, so you mean skin routine and all of that? So सबसे पहले I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and then I put a nice toner, a mild one, and then I put a moisturizer. Bas. That's all I do. अभी हूँ ना मैं इनिस्फ्री का. या ऐसे कैसे, जब कोई अप्रोच करेगा तो उसका नाम लूंगी. But definitely it should be cruelty free. That's what I stand for. I cannot endorse anything जो ऐसे animal जो cruelty free ना हो. So anything which doesn't test on animals, and आपकी beauty आपके अंदर से आती है. And I think beauty comes from kindness and your honesty and genuine smiles and love. And so whatever brand that spreads that, I would love to be face of that. Yeah. Thank you.
guys.